Hi guys, it's me Nina, and this is the second part of our video about Wacom tablets. We bought a brand new Wacom 16, not Pro, just 16, and we already set everything up. We just created a new file and we're going to try everything out. So this place, you can see a lot of brushes here. I think you can download new sets from Krita or from other users, or you can make them yourself. But we're going to use the ones that are here. And my favorite one is this one. So this is the size. You can change the size of your brush. And this is the opacity. And let's just draw something. Actually, I already tried everything, and I must tell you that it's a very weird feeling to I don't even know how to explain this weird feeling. This is why it's weird, you know?
It doesn't feel like paper.
No, you have to press really hard. Because this is me not pressing at all, and this is me pressing really hard. And I can't press hard because I'm afraid of like damaging the screen with this plastic thing. But I guess you need to get used to this feeling, right?
Mm-hmm.
And by pressing on this button, I can choose another color. I'll just go black. It's not very black, right? But I guess it's a pencil, so it's okay. Oh. Sorry. And yeah, let's draw something, Jonathan.
Yeah, try to draw something.
Okay.
Well, you can draw something simple, right? Just
Okay, I'll draw my favorite thing in the whole world. And what is it?
Food.
No, it's
an
the
eye,
yeah.
of course.
Okay. What? Layer is locked? Did I lock the layer?
Yeah, here. Oh, it's because it's the background layer. You kind of have to make another on top. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, well, I'll lock this layer back then.
Remember, you can like support your hand on the screen.
It's true. This is also the thing that I always forget about, is that you can actually do whatever. I'm not supposed to swear. Okay. Whatever you want.
Don't swear, kids.
Okay. If you're grown-ups, you can swear. And this is where I'm really pressing. Well, actually, I don't think I have to draw something. Just have to like show the lines, right?
Yeah.
And I guess the size will be like 776.
So now you're pressing harder and harder, or?
Yeah. And I guess it's cool. It does look like a pencil.
Yeah. Try to show the eraser and the blending tool. Oh, this looks super cool. It's very smooth.
Yeah. Let's blend. Actually, they have even a kneadable eraser tool, which is, I think, awesome. I was kind of surprised. But, where's the blending tool? Oh, it's here. I always forget about it. This is the blending tool. It also depends on your pressure control, because right now, look right now, I'm not pressing at all. And I can still feel like it's smudgy here, right? And here.
Okay, you're almost like, that's cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And what else I want to show you? They even have a cotton bud. Look, they even have a cotton bud.
That's cool.
This is what I always say: if you don't have a blending stump, you can use a cotton bud or a soft tissue or something else. Actually, I like the brushes, like all of them. They even have like watercolor brush. I'll make it bigger. And I don't know how to erase everything yet, I'm sorry. This is the first hour of me using it. Some brushes can really give you like this texture look. I think it's super awesome, right?
It's like crocodile skin.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to draw a lot of things with... Well, actually, remember the comments that we saw under like a Krita tutorial that some person wrote that you have literally, you literally don't need any talent to be a digital artist. And I kinda agree, because look at this, look at this.
Well, you still have to like bring some personality to the drawings, right? Oh, okay, I take it back.
Good.
You can draw a broken screen.
You can draw whatever you want. Like, I guess this is my phone, right?
Draw the eye. Like,
Okay.
try to slow down and draw the eye. People
Okay,
will
I'll slow
kinda,
down.
like, forgive you if you don't do it well, because you kind of need to learn
I
how
hope
to
they
use
will.
this.
Okay, so where's my favorite tool? Actually, I know that I can make it somehow into this toolbox, but I don't know yet how to do it. And it will be fine. Okay. I really forget that I can use my wrist here and nothing will happen, not like with my iPad, and you don't need any gloves for that. Well, maybe you do because you can sweat, but it's not super warm here. Okay. Okay. So first, I hope everyone saw my eye tutorial, and the first thing I'm doing is drawing an iris, right? Okay, then I'm
Well, there's actually one other thing that you have to get used to here, right? That you can actually just sketch it up and then put a new layer, and then all your mistakes will kind of like magically be in another layer, right?
You can also open a picture and draw after that. So this is what I meant when I said you don't have to have any talent or skills.
Oh yeah, that's true. You just trace on top of a picture.
Yeah. So I think it'll be right here and some here. Tell me.
Yeah, I remember.
Tell me.
If you like the crease, the upper crease of the eye has to cover, like it's because it's the eyelid, so it has to cover the iris, as you say in your tutorial. Otherwise, the person will look like the eyes are like wide open, and it will make the person look crazy.
It's true. I think it's my second phone. Baby shark today.
Looks great. Already. Try to use the airbrush tool to fill in the skin stuff.
Airbrush? Well, guys, right now we're just trying, because I've never ever done anything on this tablet before. This is like the first sketch in my entire life.
It looks pretty good.
So this is the airbrush, right? I think it needs to be smaller, and I'll just... Oh, sorry. I'm going to race. And I feel no shame on it. Yeah, I swear. That's it. 8 rows? Don't fuck yourself. What? Let's make it green like mine and your eyes, right? How do I add things here? Right? And what about this?
I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm really afraid of pressing hard. Oh.
So
I
what are you
guess
doing?
I'm just filling in the iris, and it's good that I have a blending tool.
You want to just speed up here, then you can just sit and play and concentrate about finishing.
Yeah, I am going to speed it up here because I'm just trying everything out, you know?
Okay.
So, enjoy the process. I am not promising that it will look super awesome, but it will be fine, you know? I think I'm too impatient right now to make a really cool work, but this is what I did right now. I was playing around with brushes as I was drawing along, and it is a different and weird feeling.
Yeah.
Like drawing on a tablet.
You've never done it before?
No.
Like only maybe...
On the iPad, but...
It's not the same.
No, it's not. It's not an iPad Pro, and it's just with a finger, you know. So...
You think you can get used to it?
Of course I can get used to it, and I think I will record something cool on Wacom.
Yeah.
Drawing something. I just don't know. I don't know if it's better to record it like this or record it on the screen.
We'll find out.
I like it like this, by the way. What do you guys think? Maybe you can help me in the comment section. That would be really, really appreciated. And
one thing that we've actually been wondering is, do you really have to get Photoshop when you have Krita? Like, could you like write us all your good advice if you have any? Because some people just swear to Krita, and some people say you kind of have to have like some of the cool functions from Photoshop, right?
yeah. So write your opinion in the comment section, and I don't know what's going to be in the next video. Maybe it's going to be traditional drawing or digital drawing. I don't know yet, but maybe digital. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think make this into like a digital series.
Of course, I will have a digital playlist.
Yeah, cool.
So see you soon, guys. Bye.